So, ngayon po nandito si Tech Stress Tagyam, our local media capital press corps, no? Dala-dala niya yung the founders of this business and this app Your Serbisyo. Alam nyo, hinihintay ko yung ganitong klaseng app before. Sabi ni Governor Kua ng Quirino sa akin, they were already in the process of actually creating an app which will be shared to the LGUs. But since nandito na po sila, itong mga investors from Manila and different parts of the country, masaya naman ako. May taga-Tuguegarao naman, no? Yung mga taga-Tuguegarao naman po, business partners sila. It is an app that will help both the public as well as our service providers. Ano po ibig sabihin nun? Yung ating mga skilled workers such as, may karpintero ba yan? Karpintero, tubero, mananahe, mekaniko, manikurista, manghihilot, pet groomer, maglilinis ng bahay. Ito pong app na ino-offer dito sa Tuguegarao, you download the app, you pick the services you need, and then sila ang pupunta sa inyo. Basta yung trabahong matatapos lang daw po ng 1 to 2 days. The app was developed, parang yun, hindi ho kayo magbabayad sa cellphone. Sample po, kailangan ko ng tagalaba. So, yung app na yan pipindutin ko. So, magpapadala si app sa akin ng taong maglalaba for 1 day. May fee po yun. Babayaran ko doon sa tao na maglalaba. Nandun na po yung presyo nung taong kailangan ninyong i-hire for 1 to 2 days or 5 days at the most, like tubero and everything.